Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm going to show you how you can quickly blur the face of someone in Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.
Alright, so we are on Davinci Resolve 17 right now. We are on the color page and I'm gonna show you how you can blur the face of this lady right here. It's gonna be really quick, really simple. It's a beginner tutorial, but it does the job really well. So basically I'm gonna go down to my window tool and I'm gonna do a circle mask around her face. So then I'm just gonna put that on her face and adjust the border to fit her face properly. Awesome. And here we go, I'm happy with that. It's just englobed their entire face, that's what we want. But as you can see now we need to do some tracking because at some point this mask gonna be out of place. So to do that, we're just gonna go at the beginning of our footage and then we're gonna go over to the tracking tool and here we're gonna play just the video. And Blackmagic is doing its magic actually, and everything is getting tracked. Awesome, great, I think I'm pretty happy with that. It seems to have tracked the face pretty good. Everything seems to be fine. Here there is a tiny bit of her chin that is out of the mask. Let's say for the sake of that example, I'm gonna make sure that everything is completely blurry. I will be fine with that, but let's make sure that everything is completely masked. So we're gonna go there. And here I'm gonna start the tracking again. I'm gonna readjust the mask. Here we go. And then I'm gonna play it again. So it makes the adjustment and everything should be good right now. So then let's just go over to Open Effects and we're gonna bring a mosaic blur on it. And here we go. We got our mask that is working perfectly, that is tracking the face of our subject. And if we want to adjust a bit the style of it, right now it's a mosaic blur, but we can make it smoother and have something that is, you know, a bit smoother, different style for your taste. I hope that was useful. Let me know in the comment what you would like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.